Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix high memory usage on Roblox. Let's begin. Now, I'm going to show you some very basic troubleshooting steps. But before doing this, make sure the Roblox client is not currently running on your screen. Just open Task Manager. From here, under Processes, make sure Roblox is not running. If it is, simply click on it and click End Task. Now, the first troubleshooting step is to go to the Windows icon, type Run, then type %local app data and click OK. From here, simply press T on your keyboard, double-click on Temp, and then press Ctrl+A. Right-click and delete all of these unnecessary files. Next, go back to the Windows icon, type Run again, and then type Reget. Now, from all these folders, go to Local Machine, then System. From here, scroll down and open Session Manager. Scroll down again and double-click on Memory Management. On the next page, double-click on Clear Page File. At Shutdown, change the value data to 1 and click OK. Close everything. Restart your PC and then launch your Roblox client again. That is how you fix high memory usage on Roblox. Thanks for watching.